Have you ever tasted this native soup before? This is not your regular kitchen cooking. This is village cooking the way our ancestors made it. Before we start, let me show you what goes into this pot of goodness. So we have some fresh peppers and onions. We have crayfish. We have ofor as a thickener. We have palm oil. And this is a list of everything. So to go over everything, we have fresh catfish, stockfish, oporo, periwinkle, Okazi leaves, salt, and Maggi seasoning. So first things first, we make our firewood fire because village food needs village fire. So you're gonna go in with some fresh peppers and onions, and then you're gonna pound it, add some crayfish, and then you give it a very good pounding. Okay. So all this time you're pounding, you're just waiting for the fire to build up. So now you're gonna go into a pot with some fresh catfish, add the stockfish, you're gonna go in with the prawn, which is also the oporo. So you add the pepper, onion, and crayfish combination that you just pounded. Season this with some salt and some Maggi seasoning, and then you transfer it on the firewood. So if you love traditional African cooking, go ahead and like this video. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Tell me where you're watching this video from. And don't forget to subscribe for more authentic village recipes like this, because I have an entire playlist dedicated to village cooking. So while the fish is steaming, you're going to go ahead and pound the Okazi until it is smooth and nice, just like so. So you add some water and just let everything boil. Add some more seasoning if you want. Okay. Go in with your palm oil. Don't go crazy with the palm oil. Just add a little bit of palm oil and let everything boil very well. There you go with your ofor. Add the ofor as a thickener. Don't add too much ofor because ofor thickens really quickly and it thickens very hard. So you don't want to add too much. Just add a little bit. It will be enough to thicken the whole pot of soup. So at this point, guys, you're going to add the periwinkle because you don't need to steam fresh periwinkle. Okay. They take pretty much 1 minute to cook or even less. So you don't have to steam the periwinkle. So after the periwinkle, you're going to go ahead and add the Okazi. So by the time you add this Okazi, this soup is almost ready, pretty much ready. Very simple, very authentic, and very delicious native soup. So this is Ikwerre Miniwiri Soup. Okay, it's a native rivers Okazi soup. So at this point, guys, this soup is ready to serve. And the only thing you are permitted to eat this food with is with akpu or loi loi. Okay, you are not permitted to eat this soup with anything else but akpu. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and let me know where you're watching this video from. And also don't forget to click on the next video, Traditional African Village Cooking Afang Soup, or on the next playlist, African Village Cooking. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.